Slowly, it's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake. I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. 'Cause I get 1,000 hugs from 10,000 lightning bugs as they try to teach me how to dance. Okay. Hi, my most amazing people. How are we? How are we, fellow traders? Hope we are doing okay. Hope we are doing amazing. It's sugar vibes. Fill me in. How is it going? How are you finding the new week? Hope so far so good. Hope so far so good, guys. We are in for yet another session. It's your girl Lena over here, and 3 p.m. All right, that is the time that we come through to share, to interact, to wrong what we should do best, all right? And of course, as traders, there are certain things that we look into, things that we focus so much on too. That is, as a trader, more so a binary options trader, have a strategy around. Let risk best friend have a trading plan. Okay, so as a trader, do not forget to have a trading plan, know how you have to do things, not just diving into the market blindly. So that's why I come through and I tell you, Pocket Option Broker, that is a platform that I'm using to trade, and I'm definitely trading binary options. That's why I focus so much on risk management. Right, and over here, as you can see, Brent oil OTC, that is the chart that you are looking at over here, putting my amount to 300 US dollars, and already into it. Look at that. Okay, so guys, as time goes on, we are learning a few things here and there, and definitely we need to know what we have to do. Oh dear, that's a loss for me, or that's a no for me. Guys, check in, and definitely get locked in such that we get started. Of course, as you come through, let me know where you are watching from. Let me know how your day is going on my end. All brand new. New week. All right. New week. New everything. So please come through, join me. Let us make this money together. Let us see how the week is going to run. All right. That's beautiful for us. So that simply means we have started. Okay, that is Mba over there. Hi, what's up? Good to have you. I do not know, but I feel like maybe I don't know if I said the name right, but you should send me an easier name. I always love it when you come through, but I'm not so sure if I pronounce your name correctly. Yet I always want to. I always want to do so. Okay, that is Jude. Hi, Jude. What's up? Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. How is your Monday so far? Hi, David. Good to have you, David. That is Marvella in the building. Hi, Marvella. My day is amazing. My day is beautiful. How about yours? How is it going? So, guys, what you are seeing on your screen over there, first of all, I'm trading binary options like I mentioned earlier. All right. and I'm using price action as my strategy. So whenever I talk about price action, we are going to get into that. So I'm waiting for a certain number of people coming through, and then we start off. I want to combine the three, all right? If I say I'm using price action, and then since the other day we've been going through that is market structure, the candlestick patterns which we looked at yesterday, then the market direction. So I want us to have the three of them in a go, such that you know exactly what to consider and why are we considering it. If we are having entries over here, why are we having them? All right. So these are some of the questions that you be asking yourselves, and definitely they have to have answers. Okay. So all right, over there. Old time favor, good to have you, good to have you. Vanakam, how is it going over that side? Hope it's all okay and all amazing. Okay. Excuse me. All time fave, I'm doing amazing. I'm doing okay. Just over here, definitely in an uptrend, as you can see. All in with my pullbacks over there. All right. Okay. So I guess I did not know. Today is a Monday. I expect it to be bright, amazing vibes over here. So guys, come through. Join me. Let us get started. Let us get started. A new beginning of a week definitely defines the rest of the week. So let me see you guys come through. Okay, so we are going to look at price action, and we are going to start all the way up, which is price, which is about market direction. What should we have in our minds? Yeah. Okay, so we are going to talk about this as we are trading as well. Of course, as I'm catching my entries over here, we know how we do it, right? Okay, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful entry, a beautiful plus over there. Okay, so when we talk about market direction, yesterday I had a brother over here who was asking about the strategy that I'm using. And I requested that you come in a little early such that we talk about it before we get into the donations. All right. So I do not know if you are in the building. If you are around, please let me know. Let me know that you are around. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, Vanakam, Vanakam, Vanakam. That is Sanjay in the building. Hi, Sanjay. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, okay. I'm thinking about you song. Okay, we are going to get into that. That is Pascal over there. Good to have you. DDR 555. What is the candle timer? And the trading time. For the candles, that is 5 seconds. Then for trading, 15 seconds. Freedom music. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Freedom over there. I see you at DDR. Let me hope I've responded to you. For the candle, that is 5 seconds. Guys, as we trade over here, let me get into with market direction 868TT. Greetings. How are you doing? How is it going, guys? How is the Monday? How is it? Is it amazing? Is it fresh? Just like the week is fresh, okay? Fill me in. Okay, so when we are talking about market direction, all right, before you think of placing in a buy or a sell trade, first you need to understand what direction or you need to understand what's going on in the market. Where is the market going? What is the condition of the market? All right. So that is market direction. So the market generally moves in three ways. We have an uptrend, we have a downtrend, and also we have sideways or consolidation. When the market is making higher highs and the higher lows, that tells me as a trader that buyers are currently showing strength, right? And we can, of course, when it gives me that buyers are currently showing that their strength in the market, it comes to my mind that of course I should look in a bullish direction or in an uptrend. Whenever buyers are coming into the market, or whenever you see that the buyers are in the market, or whenever we look at the higher highs and the higher lows, we are definitely looking at an uptrend. Okay, so when we are having the lower highs, or when the market is making lower highs and the lower lows, the sellers are showing strength in the market. So we definitely describe that as a downtrend. We need to understand exactly what is going on in the market before anything else. Gideon, what's up? Good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for the greetings to you as well. How is your Monday so far? How is it going? Hope all is well, just like over here. Lena is doing amazing. Whenever it's time for the session, I'm definitely great. And I am not I'm not complaining at any 1 second. All I want to see is my amazing people doing great, doing, you know, moving together. Okay. But this is not live. My chat is not the same as yours. That actually happens because of the YouTube lagging. Okay. It's the YouTube time lag. You find that it gives us that difference in the timing. So that's why, but we are actually live. Okay, so we've looked at the uptrend and the downtrend when we are looking at market direction. But let us continue. So, but when we have the uptrend and the downtrend, we should also consider that the market at times does not move. It does not move up or down. All right. So price moves back and forth between certain areas, and that gives us consolidation, all right, or sideways market. So we have an uptrend, we have a downtrend, and then we also look at consolidation. That is when the market is in it's moving back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So we know about that consolidation. So when you as a trader, you are analyzing the market, just do not look at one candle and say the next candle must go up or the next candle must go down. Okay, look at the overall structure of the price, not just considering one candle and then you go away with a conclusion that clearly draws you to losses. Okay, first of all, you need to identify those higher highs, the higher lows. You need to know how price is reacting around those areas. Okay. Another important thing is the pullback. In an uptrend, price doesn't normally move upward in a straight line. We talked about that some time back. Price does not move straight, that if we are in an uptrend we are just going to shoot up. All right, so we have what we call a pullback. Okay, so that simply means that of course we are going to anticipate, or we are going to expect price to pull back before continuing. The same thing can happen in a downtrend. If we look at a pullback in an uptrend, we are also going to look at a pullback in a downtrend. So me, when we talk about market direction, what am I going to look out for, or what am I going to consider? First, identify the direction that you are taking. Are you in an uptrend, a downtrend, consolidation, and then know exactly how to trade around it. Then know about the market structure, because we are not going to consider only market direction first to place in our trades. All right. Very, very important to know the direction that the market is taking. Know the identify the structure. All right. Then, of course, we are going to look at those important, mark out those important areas. Okay, then wait for the price to give you confirmation before you enter into the market. Okay. Oh dear. DDR 555. We are not in for that today. It's a new week, all right? If you feel it's not befitting what you expect, please move on. Let us be. We are all in for a new day. Beautiful vibes over here. So please, 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 please. I'm not in for this today, all right? I'm not at all. As you want. Okay, my Henry. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, Nabil. That is Chris over there. Okay, Nabil, good to have you. Of course, that all depends on we have the terms and conditions that are put. It depends on the amount that you put or that you requested to be able to withdraw. So it depends. Mine might be different from yours. Yours could be different from someone else's. So the terms and conditions really matter a lot. All right. Okay, Godwin is in the building. Hi, Godwin. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. All right, that is Velumani. Vanakam. How are you doing today, guys? It's a new week. It's a new trading week, I should put it. So right, because as traders, definitely we know, or we always look out to the targets that we always put up. So how is it on your end? Are you having a trading plan? Are you having a trading target? Are you aiming at something? Or are you just trading to go through the week? Fill me in. Let me know. Yes, Gordon is in the building. I see my brother over there. Trevor, good to have you. My Henry, are you currently trading with mobile or a computer? I am trading using a computer. All right. That trading that happens on the mobile, I always maybe do that if I'm not with my computer. But so whenever I'm settled in one place, I always do my tradings on my laptop. All right. Okay, Vincent. Good to have you in the building. Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so I was still taking you through market direction. All right, let us continue. We chat, I continue. We chat, we learn like that. So when we have that simple process in market direction, never forget, market direction is not a guarantee of what the next candle will do, right? It's simply a way of understanding the current behavior of price and making more disciplined decisions. These things work hand in hand, all right? They work hand in hand. So do not let one out and then focus on just one. So do not rush into an entry just because the market is moving. Read the structure first, wait for confirmation, and manage your risk. All right. Okay, so whenever we talk about approaching market direction, that is what you have to do, that is what you have to understand using, of course, using my strategy, which is a price action. All right. Yeah, I will love you. I will love you. Melok. Hi, Melok. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Rewrite the stars. Rewrite the stars. Okay, so I'm seeing our brother over here is that is Emmanuel. Hi Emmanuel, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so today I'm seeing a lot of Vanakams, so meaning we have a number of people all the way from Sri Lanka and India in the building. Greetings. How is it going over that side? Hope it's all good. Hope it's all amazing. So back to Emmanuel. Emmanuel is asking please, what's the difference between swing low, swing high, and higher highs and the higher lows? Okay, so when we talk about a swing high, we are looking at that peak where price rises, right? That peak, that is for a swing high. The price rises up to that peak, okay, reaches that particular high, and then starts falling. That peak up there, that is our swing high. Then also when we look at the swing low, the swing low, of course, it's going to be the opposite, okay? It is that bottom where price falls, reaches a low, and then starts rising. So that is our swing. Just one second. Okay, so that is one second. You know I want you. Okay, so as we were proceeding, of course, definitely we are also making some money. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so back to our brother over here. Let's see. Of course, right now we have entered into our donations, guys. So we are doing tea at once. Okay, so that is with the swing. That is with the swing highs and the swing lows. So when we talk about the swing highs, we are looking at that peak where price moves up and then it starts moving down. Then for the swing low, the same but the opposite. So right, that low point where price moves down and then starts moving up. We are doing G at a go. When we talk about a higher high, okay, a higher high happens when the new high is above the previous high. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see how we go about with Cedric. Okay, so when we have a high, okay, I think you're going to find that I'm going to be breaking a lot about the explanation because I'm trading for our participants at the same time. Sorry about that. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I was telling you about the higher high. We are looking at higher high happens when a new high is above the previous high. If we have a higher high, all right, but then we form another high, that is the higher high that we are talking about. So we have a previous high, but then we break above it and then we create another high. When we talk about the higher low, we are looking at that is when the price pulls back and it doesn't fall below the previous important low. Let's have it over here. I'll go. Definitely, definitely, definitely. Sanjay is in the building. He is in the building. All right. Congratulations to Cedric over here. Taking it slow, but definitely. We are serious about it. Okay. So we have looked at the swing high, the swing low, the lower, the higher high, the higher low. Then with the lower low and the lower high is just the opposite of the higher high and the higher low. Okay. Okay, so we are in for Hollis, three items. Okay, guys, I see you over there in the comment section. Good to have you, good to have you. How is it going over that side? How is your day going? It's a Monday, guys. That's beautiful. Our first attempt, we have a plus. Let us get into with our second attempt. Yes, my darling. Hi, Adar. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I see over there. Your husband is already in the building, and you are also here. So today we were basically beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we have just one more attempt to go. I think the reason as to why Adar stuck in me as a darling, it's because um sorry about that, that distracted me. The reason as to why that darling comes so easily is because I believe the very first time we started chatting, that is what she used, so it stuck in my head. But you guys do not know the kind of love I have for you. So Sanja over there, I got you, my brother. All right, beautiful. Look at Hollis. Who remembers that yesterday, Hollis? Was it yesterday? I think it was on Saturday. I think it was on a Saturday. Hollis made a loss. But look at that. Look at that. We are having profits for Hollis. Congratulations. Thank you, Adar. Thank you, Adar. Then I'm with my baby and all the bad things disappear. Maybe I am somebody I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Emmanuel is asking me, so how are you spotting entries? Is it on higher high, higher low, or rehearsal candles? That is what I actually started with explaining in today's session, all right? I do not only consider my entries with only market structure, all right? We have market structure, candlestick patterns. There are a number of candlestick patterns that I look at. I look at my market structure, then of course know exactly what particular direction I'm in. So having those three in check, I definitely put in my entry. That confirms to me that okay, over here I am in the right position to place in an entry. I do not just focus on just one thing, not just market structure, but of course market structure contributes a whole lot. Okay, market direction contributes a whole lot. Very, very important in my price action strategy. Candlestick patterns, very, very important because with the candlestick patterns, my entries are refined. But when the candles form, okay, when the candlesticks form, what what does the market structure say? Okay, am I having the higher highs before I consider the candlestick, the candlestick patterns that are forming. So it works hand in hand. I'm not considering just the candlestick patterns, or I'm not considering just market structure. I also have to look at the direction. What direction are we in? Market structure comes in. The candlestick patterns also come in. What candles are being formed over here? So those are the three things that I focus so much on for me to actually confirm the particular entries that I'm going to have. All right. That is for Emmanuel. Let me hope I've responded to you. Okay. Marvella, good to have you. Okay, Morady. Hi, Morady. Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing all right. Look at that. Sanjay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for responding to that. Um, at times you find that you are having the timer expired, so I have to buy some time. Okay, so that's why you find that I put it at that 1 minute, right? Okay, I'm seeing people here with English. What's up with English? My English knowledge 0% before watching dinner. Really? You guys are kidding me. You guys are kidding me. Okay, Sanjay, you have good English. You have good English. Really. Okay. Somebody like you. Sanjay, next we are having duck tea items. You guys, as long as we can chat in English, that simply means you know English, right? I don't know anyways, but that's my thinking. Okay, so we are in a buy over here. Beautiful. We have one more attempt to go. Got to love somebody like you. Still in a continuation. I need a plus. All right. So sorry about that. I've remembered something. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just hope you like really? Look at that. Sanjay had actually not seen that. How amazing. Okay, guys, we are on in for all time fave. Why are we in the opposite direction? Oh dear. Hmm. Let us give it one more attempt. All time fave. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. One more attempt. We see we are in an uptrend over here. Let's take our time. Okay, anticipating a pullback over there. Okay, continuation. Oh dear. Oh. Oh no. I surely loved for all time fave to go away with profits, but we have closed in a loss. So sorry about that all time fave. Our first attempt into or our first participation into the donations, we have closed in a loss. So sorry about that, my brother. Okay, so we move on with Alexander, looking at 3 attempts. A special bond of creation. For all the single moms out there going through frustration, clean running, China ball, and Marie Sigmund there. She works the night by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. Daily struggle. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. Stay up there. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to stay up there. Stay up there. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Rock-a-bye. Okay. One more attempt to go for Alexander. Okay, so still moving in an uptrend over here. Wait up. Hey. Okay, that was the closest. That was the closest. Oh my goodness. Congratulations to Alexander. But I saw it moving to a loss. But thankfully we have closed in a plus. Okay, Sanjay might be thinking that I forgot that he made a request. So the song that you requested for, is it by Paul, Saint Paul, or Mariah Carey? Who is it for? Thinking about you. I don't know. Anyways, I think we shall have both. Nothing got to do, so rockabye, baby, rockabye. D guy, hey, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. That's beautiful. We are taking it for 3,000 as our take profits for Sombra. Mm. Okay, I'm doing better than ever. What's going on? Of course, I love it when people are doing amazing, but the way you're saying it, it looks like something amazing happened. Share with us. Share with us. Okay, let us have this and we see. Remember, we are taking it for 3,000. Hey, do not fight with me. I'm here in peace. Look at that. Look at that. So sorry about that. I'm trying to be a peaceful person, but the market is also giving me or telling me otherwise. I'm telling you, just driving me crazy. So meaning I have to be watchful. Next service, we are taking it for 2 atoms, and our first attempt is moving towards a plus. Beautiful, beautiful. Really? That's amazing. That is amazing, D guy. That's amazing, guys. One of the most amazing things. Let's put aside the donations part because that is something that 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 is something that someone does willingly. But let me tell you guys, the most important thing, the most rewarding thing is for you to come and learn how to trade. Learn how to trade, put it in practice. Be on your charts. Do not let your charts rest, all right? Learn how you have to do it. Learn how things are supposed to go. Make profits, however small they could be, because, of course, as someone who is trading for yourself, depending on how your account is standing, you risk small. So please risk small. Just make sure that you make money. Every time you are to trade, let the profits be, at least let them be there, all right? Just keep going, slowly but definitely making something out of it. Making something out of it makes it so amazing. Okay. You are most welcome. Okay, in the building, guys, I see Teacher Lee. Hi, Teacher Lee. How are you doing today? How is your day? How is your Monday? How is it going? Hope it's all going on well. Okay, good to have you, good to have you in the building. Maybe I'm a fool. Blessed humility. It takes, guys, it takes learning, it takes being consistent. All right, do not do something today, do not get down into the books today and then take a whole month minus checking out what you learned or practicing what you have like about trading. Okay, because one truth is, if you keep not practicing, what you have learned keeps going. Um, there is a course that I did. It's an air ticketing course where we deal with yes, air ticketing. But you have to be on the system for you to keep remembering what you learned, because you have to be practicing all the time. All right. So if you take time minus practicing, that simply means that you are going to forget what you learned. So even when it comes to trading, that's how it is. You have to keep practicing what you learn, keep practicing it. There, trading becomes quite easy and it becomes quite simpler. Okay. Okay, so just keep it that way, and then things become very okay. The experience, the knowledge, that skill that you have to acquire helps you so much. Be consistent, be disciplined, be patient. Work on your emotions, work on that fear, because that fear, we all have it. So when at least you have all those in check, risk management, do not forget about that. Very, very important. With risk management, actually, when you know about risk management, let me tell you, on my end, it helped me so much to rule out the fear. Okay, it helped me so much to rule out the fear. It helped me so much to be disciplined. It helped me so much to learn how to be patient, because what I am doing, what I'm trading, I'm expecting either a profit or a loss. Okay, so this is some of the things that you have to be familiar with, and they will help you do better for yourself. All right. Okay. Roto, hi Roto, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you. Blessed. Okay, Sanjay, thank you so much. Taking through. Blessed over here. You are most welcome. So sorry, brother, all time fave. There is a way the market just flips unexpectedly, and we ended up closing in a loss. The first attempt and the second attempt both in a loss. My apologies. But of course, if today did not work out, next time things will be better. That's lovely. Sanjay, by the way, today I did not have my lunch today, but something to eat. You have not asked me. You have not asked me, but that's what's up on my end, right? And why I didn't have it was because I've been on the move since morning, so I came back a bit late, and then we had to get into with our session. So immediately after, I will dive into it. The advice that Sanjay is giving to Blessed, I agree with that as a beginner. All right. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you. Hi, Samuel. Hi, Sunny. Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? What is going on over here? One, we are trading binary options, right? Binary options, and definitely on pocket option broker. Excuse me. Over there on your screen, you are seeing names. So we are having uh, different participants. These are different people who choose to send in, who choose to send me their money such that I can trade for them, which I call donations. So that's what we are having over here right about now. Touch. I need you so much. The name of the strategy is pure price action. Beautiful. Remember, we are taking it for 5 items. That is for crafts. 2 items down. 3 to go. Love you so much. You know I want you so much. Then I'm so tempted to try. and it's moving fast. Okay, so I'm on a 15 seconds expiration time. All right, I'm using 15 seconds as my expiration time. Then for the chat, that is 15 seconds still. But what you have to do, or what you have to know, is make sure that at least you trade, make sure that you trade at an expiration time or at a time frame that favors you, that you feel comfortable with. So on my end, 15 seconds is very, very okay for me. But you find in the comment section over here, people were telling us they trade at 3 minutes, they trade at 5 minutes. It depends. Do not run at my pace, all right? Please do it as you feel the comfort in it, okay? Blessed. Ooh, okay. That's amazing. That's amazing. You are making a year trading binary. That is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at that. For Crofts, 3 items down. 2 more to go.
Yeah, it's a box of chocolate, a dozen of roses. Ever since you came back around the way, I ain't trying to be a player. So many things that
Sanjay and all time faith. I did not know what is going on because I'm seeing a calling and then yes, nothing is being said. So I do not know. Let me hope all is well. Ooh. Oh no. No, 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 no. We were moving on well. Oh my goodness. Props on our fourth attempt. We have made a loss. So sorry about that.
I just wanna make you with you everything. Kiss you, love you, hold round the way. I ain't trying to be a player. So many things that I wanna say.
I love the conversation that Sanjay and Blessed are having. That is beautiful. We keep interacting, we keep knowing how things are going, how our brothers are doing, how our sisters are doing in the market. Guys, when I just started, it was a shock to very many people that I am a lady and I'm trading, all right? It gives me a lot of joy and happiness when I see a number of females in the market, all right? That simply means that we are definitely giving it our whole best. So, to each and every one of us who is here and you are trading, you are learning how to trade, all the very, very best for you. And definitely, at the end of the day, we are looking at you making profits, okay? Us taking time learning how to trade. At the end of the day, or at the back of our minds, we are looking at the profits, right? So we keep it moving. When you give it your whole, when you give it your whole, definitely you benefit from it. Okay, so let us go with the entry over there. Gonna lose a lot tonight. Gonna lose a lot tonight.
Come on.
You are okay. Okay, so looking at the chat over here, our market analysis. Myra. I do not know. Let us keep going up. Here we see. Beautiful. Let's go. Guys, in binary options trading, remember we are dealing with expiration time, okay? So as you plus in your trade, all we are waiting for is for the seconds to expire, and then definitely you meet your fat, either a plus or a loss, okay? In binary options, we do not have stop loss or a take profit. That's why I always encourage you guys so much. If you are setting your expiration, depending on what exactly you are looking out for, make sure that you set expiration times that favor you or that you are comfortable with, right? So please, with binary options, keep that in mind. We are just waiting for these seconds to expire or these minutes to expire. Okay. Rufus. Hi, Rufus. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going over there? Okay, that is a Stan. Hi, Stan. How are you doing? Vadira. Vadir Ban. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, darling. Curious, I see you. Curious Anatomy. Hello, sister. I'm a new subscriber. Really? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay. I'm seeing Miss Ashish. What's your logic for trading? My logic for trading, I use a strategy. To trade, I definitely look out for a few things in my strategy that I focus so much on. I focus so much on understanding the market direction, understanding market structure, the candlestick patterns, and how they all work out. Okay, so understanding those three give me a direction and a way to move into the market. Stan, what platform is this? This is a pocket option. Mhm. Okay, so we are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Nobody no vex for me. Say I never go since, but I hope that you are well. I hope you might get every day I pray for you. You never go past you. I never forget you. I won't forget you. See my shoulder, make you rest on me. You know I got you. Let me be your friend indeed. Money don't turn around. I don't keep some for you. You know what's suffer. Cause anything I get now for me and how are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? I know sometimes it feel like say no one is in you as mine. I did for you, my friend. Don't let me out, you always stay in my mind. I did me gone, gone, gone. Cherish you with my life. Don't worry yourself or you try you. Those could be on sight.
How to trade with the alligator. With the alligator indicator over here, first of all, I've told you I have a strategy which is a price action. The alligator indicator backs my strategy up, right? So with the alligator indicator, first of all, it helps me identify the direction that I'm taking in the market. Okay, which could be an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. Then it also helps me identify how strong momentum is, a strength of that particular trend or that particular direction that I'm in. Then it gives me signals, right? It gives me signals, but of course, I do not confirm with it. I look at what the alligator indicator says. I run back to market structure, candlestick pattern, the direction. Then with those, I end up confirming exactly what I need, and then I plus in an entry. Okay. All right, descend. Okay, descend. Trading hub. Good to have you. Good to have you. Really? Let's see, I'm binary trader. Good to have you. Good to have you, my brother. How is it going? How far? How far? How far? I see you are all the way from Nigeria. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you in the building. Let me hope all is well over there. How are you finding binary options trading? How is it treating you? You see with that you. Whenever you're gone.
It's the way that your ex remind me of a Kanye West song.
Problem with doing that, my dear. No. Every time I listen,
Symphonies in my head.
I wrote the song just.
Looking at you. Oh,
Mm, go, come. Is the way that you
That's your mom. Oh yeah, it's the way that your eyes remind me of a Coldplay song. Coldplay song.
Okay, so Miss Ashish. Okay, so you want me to teach you the strategy, which I have no problem about because each and every single day we are learning how to trade. We are learning how to do things better in the market. So actually, I think you came in a little late, but what happens is that the first hour of the session, okay, is always about learning as I execute in the market because that is the first hour for my personal trading. We always have a session for learning in that first hour. So I'm going to request you each and every single day come through early enough, all right, at 3 p.m. Canadian time. That is when we start off. Oof, so sorry about that. Causing a loss. So come through early enough and then we start off to learn together. All right. When I'm focusing on the donations, you might find that I could not give you, or I might not give you that full attention or the details that I need to give you about the strategy. So when you come in early, we talk about it. Of course, when you come through, let me know that you are in the building and tell me what you would love to know. Then I get started from there. All right. All the things you used to do. You loved it. Do you remember right? Right now, 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 right now, 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 now. Baby, I know you're better than that. I would ride for you, now wine for you. Make a scatter for you. I wanna feel it right now, 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 right now.
How does it feel? I still remember back in December. Was the hottest winter. From the sunrise to midnight. Still love the
Okay, Dr. S Production. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I want. All right, all right, all right. The person that you are sticking on, I'm definitely, definitely, definitely married to my chats over here. That's how I roll. Okay, that's how I roll, my brother. Tell me what you really like. Maybe I can take my time. Okay, so for Vera, that is Tether Wallet. Congratulations. Take me from your place. That is all I did to you. You don't have to run. I know what you do. Just a simple touch and it can set you free. You don't have to run when you're alone with me. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. No, 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 Dr. S Production. I'm not single. I'm just trying to get you high. Take a this much. We don't need a lonely night. Okay, so let's proceed over here. That's a plus for Mateo. We are taking it for 4 items. Let's see how we are going to close this off. You don't have to run. Just a simple touch. We don't have to run. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. Ooh, 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 ooh. Beautiful, beautiful. So two more to go for Mateo. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. And what it did to you. You don't have to run. I know what you've been through. Just a simple touch and it can set you free. We don't have to rush when you're alone with me. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. Let's proceed for the third attempt, and there we are having a continuation. Dr. S Protection, I'm using Pocket Option Broker. That's the platform that I'm using. Beautiful. That is our third attempt. One more to go. There's a reason you can't stand. Okay, so we are definitely over here and we are going to have our last participant, that is Cedro. Our take profit, we are looking at 2,000 all-time fave. Faith, thank you for that. I actually didn't notice over there.
Just like the sun on the horizon. And even when it rains, I'm enlightened. Oh, you're so sexy and your ways so sweet. I'm in love with what you when you do your thing. Girl, you did the last keep on it. And anytime you're not near me, no sweet. Feel like the leaves when they drop off the limbs. Make your hand also some me put on the ring. World in a world without your love. I don't think I'd be able to be
Santa. Hi Santa, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, so guys, for our last participant, we are looking at 2,000 US dollars. That wood. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, so guys, let us keep going. Let us keep going. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Okay, I'm seeing that is a bride. Okay, there are very many names combined in one. Oh dear. You wanted to take me to Zambia? How is Zambia? How is Zambia? How is Zambia? How is it going over that side? Good to have you. Good to have you for the session. We are all in for the vibe. We are all in for the love. That is Shama. Hi Shama, good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going over that side? Kids, cool. Good to see you once again. Good to see you once again. Okay, Shama, all the way from India. Namaste, namaste. Oh, do you also greet Vanakam? You know, right now I'm getting confused because I'm seeing some people who I greet Namaste and then others that I'm supposed to greet Vanakam, like the people of Sri Lanka. So I did not know. So I will be greeting you both. Then you choose what you actually say. Or you can as well keep teaching me, you know. I'm all open to learning. Mika, hi Mika. Good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing today? Make you laugh. Under your skin, they just. Okay, Santa, can you tell me, Lena, what can I tell you? From where did you create the stream donate page? Okay, so you're going to go in my bio, all right? And you are going to find that donations link over there. I have a number of links over there. There is a donations link, there is a Telegram link, there is a pocket option link as well. So there are different links over there, but you will see one that has donations on it. That is that link, okay? And that is the page for the donations. Your skin may just because I love the way you fight just to make up. Baby, talk to me, baby. I'll make you talk to me, baby. I'll make you talk to me, baby. Make you talk to me, baby. I'll make you talk to me, baby. Make it up to me, baby. You make it up to me, up to me. I love the one we fight just to make it. Okay, so guys, let us proceed. And we conclude for our last participant, the bank. Setona, good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing? Guys, we are having a continuation, momentum, all good. Look at that. To make bullish momentum is what we are having. That is beautiful. And a congratulations to Cedra. Cedra. Okay, the name is driving me nuts, but what to do with it? Okay. Congratulations to our last participant. I always love closing my donations with a plus. It makes me feel so good. Definitely, congratulations are in order.
Hush, my dearest, difficult, yeah. Tears don't pray, save it down. Trust me, darling.
Trust me, darling. Bye over there. Broker name. The broker name is Pocket Option Broker. Trust me, darling. Look me in the eye. Tell me what you see.
Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape. I don't wanna live. Wish I could
You are from?
make you
I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. And definitely right about now, I'm streaming live from Canada. Yeah.
my dream. Want me? It's like now.
Okay, congratulations to each and every one of us who have closed in pluses, right? But to my brothers who have not closed in profits, I'm so sorry about that. But at the end of the day, do not feel down. Do not feel like the world has come to an end. Please stay positive. If today has closed in a loss, just believe and know that next time it will close in a profit. That is how the market is, very unpredictable. So you find that we do not things do not end the way we anticipate or the way we expect them to, all right? But we keep the positivity, we keep going, and then we definitely make it at the end of it all. No. Okay, so guys, that has given us an amazing session for the day. Hope you guys have at least learned something from it. Never know, one or two. Every single day we come in for the session. I pray that you learn something out of it. All right. So that was it for the donations, and we are definitely going to close it. We are going to come to an end of this the end of the session as well. Okay, I'm seeing over there. Shama, that is Shamiri. Okay, Shamiri Van James. Okay, I'm doing great. How about you? How are you doing? How to donate to you so you can trade? Actually, for the donations link, it is in my description over there. Excuse me. My donations link is in my description. Please check out, and then in case you are not maybe understanding something or you need more details, please check uh, um, on the contact me directly, still in my description. Talk to me, let's chat, and then we see how to go about each and everything. Yes, please. Yes, please. Shamiri Van. Just make sure that you contact me. Let's chat. Rufus, kindly check my chat with you. I'm going to do just that. Just give it a mind, heart tonight. Baby, be mine now. Maybe it's time we put out to the line. Was never the type to put it all on the line. Would ever change in my mind since you opened my eyes. It was a way that you made, took you out of that night. Okay, so guys, also not forgetting that with the donations, it is something that is you do willingly, you do it because you want to. Number two, risk management, very, very important. Know about risk management before you send in your donations. Number three, do not send me your last savings. I know it's very, very possible for me to multiply what you have sent me, but send in something that you are willing to lose because you never know what the market is going to tell. I have my strategy, I have a trading plan, and I have everything in play, an amazing setup, but the market just decides to go otherwise. All right, so please know about risk management, send in something that you are willing to lose, such that at the end of the day, if we make profits, well and good. If we close in a loss, it does not drain you, it does not kill you. I want each and every one of us here, all right? Alive and being profitable. So please, risk management, very, very important. Have it, know about it, and definitely do not send in your last savings, all right? Okay, so I believe we are coming to the end of the session. Hope it was okay. Hope it was amazing. Please on this place it. Heart tonight, baby mine now, baby mine now. Maybe it's time we put our hearts in put our hearts in a parallel. Put our hearts in a parallel. Okay. Okay, so guys, that will be the end of it today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.